There's nothing quite like enjoying a ride with the four-legged members of your family. And now, you can help ensure your pets are as safe as anyone else in the car thanks to WeatherTech's Pet Safety Harness. Let's take a closer look. Pet Safety Harness utilizes your vehicle's seat belts to hold your pet securely in place, and it is easily adjustable to ensure your pets are safe and comfortable. This solution features a patented heavy-duty design that helps keep pressure off of your pet's neck, reducing the chance of injury. The Pet Safety Harness is available in various sizes, so you can find the perfect fit for your pet. And if the backseat gets crowded, you can use the Pet Safety Harness in the cargo area of your vehicle using high-quality carabiner clips. You can also use Pet Safety Harness outside of your vehicle. Simply attach your dog's leash to the harness to make walks more secure and enjoyable. Help keep your pets safe and secure with WeatherTech's Pet Safety Harness.